What's going on everybody, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a traditional style almond biscotti. To get this started, we're going to preheat our oven to 160 degrees centigrade on fan forced. Then in a large mixing bowl we're going to sift in 100 grams of all-purpose plain flour, add 50 grams of light brown sugar and half a teaspoon of baking powder. We're then going to combine these ingredients. Once that's all fully combined, we're going to add 50 grams of whole almonds and the zest of 1/4 of an orange. We're then going to mix that through. And then we want to create a well in the center. Then in a small bowl, I'm going to crack in 1 whole egg. And we're just going to lightly beat it. We're then going to pour the egg into the well we created. And then we're going to mix that around with a spoon until the mixture starts to clump. And then going to swap to our hands and bind all of this together. We're just going to knead this in our hands for about a minute, just to make sure it's nicely compressed. Then going to roll it out into a log that's roughly about 20 centimeters in length. Then going to place it in the center on a tray lined with baking paper. Just smooth it out a little bit if it needs to. And then we're going to place this in our preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes until it's lightly golden and slightly firm to the touch. Then after 25 minutes, our biscotti is nice and lightly golden and slightly firm to the touch. I'm going to take it off of the tray and allow it to cool down for about 10 minutes. And whilst this is cooling down, we're going to reduce our oven temperature to 120 degrees centigrade on fan forced. Now that this has cooled down, we're going to use a serrated knife and cut on about a 45-degree angle, 1 centimeter thick. We are then going to line these out onto baking paper. We're then going to put these back in our oven for a further 20 to 25 minutes or until they're nice and golden and crisp. And after 25 minutes, our biscotti is perfectly done. Nice light golden color and really crisp to the touch. And these are delicious when you eat them fresh out of the oven. I'm going to allow these ones to cool down for about half an hour and then I'm going to transfer them to a sterilised jar. And these will last 2 weeks kept in an airtight container in a cool dark space. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I was able to teach you something. If you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button down below and don't forget to like, share and comment. And if there's any recipes that you'd like to see me make, please leave them in the comment section down below and I'll be sure to make them. I hope you all have a fantastic day. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.